right, so now with the phone plugged into the DC power supply, the current draw before prompt to boot has disappeared. That means the short has been cleared. And let us put this board in its housing and let's prompt it to boot and we'll see what happens. I suppose before we even put the board in its housing, I'll plug it into the DC power supply and we'll inspect it and see if the current draw before prompt to boot has gone. I feel quite confident that the current draw before prompt to boot will now have disappeared, but let's make sure. All right, so now with the phone plugged into the DC power supply, the current draw before prompt to boot has disappeared. It is sitting at 0 amps, which is excellent. Now, let us put this board in its housing and we'll prompt it to boot and we'll see if the phone powers on fully. With the motherboard installed in its housing, we're going to plug it to the DC power supply and I'll prompt it to boot. Excellent. We have the Samsung logo, which is a good start. But I've restarted the phone. Let's see if it powers on and hopefully his data is intact. Okay, we're on the boot. We're past the bootloader. It's on the Samsung screen now. Current draw is good as well. Excellent. The phone turned on. It's asking for the password. The device is fixed.